Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share a method with you by which you can promote your affiliate offers. Okay, so the method I want to share with you today was the method I was testing for some days and I realized the method is working. So all I need from you is just to watch this video till the end so that I'll be able to make some money with this method I'm going to share with you today. And before we dive in, kindly show me some love by subscribing to my channel, hit the like button and smash the notification bell. So if you have done that, thanks for doing that. So without any further ado, let me start by showing you this. So first thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to ClickBank to get an offer to promote. So to do that, I have an offer I wish to promote, which is woodwork offers. So we want to search for woodwork, and getting here you hit this arrow button and click on this gravity. So we are promoting this Ted's Working, that's the name, right? Ted's Woodworking. So we are promoting this because it has the highest gravity so far and it converts a lot. So we want to promote this offer here. So for us to promote this offer, we're going to hit this promote button and you type in your nickname here, okay? And you generate your hop link. This is our hop link. So you copy this and you close this, okay? Then you open your notepad and paste in your hop link, okay? And you close this. So you are done with the offer. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to create a landing page. So we're going to use a free landing page builder, which is a Google site, okay? So I'm getting here, these are free templates for us to use. So we want to choose one of these templates and use it as our landing page, okay? So let's choose this and wait for it to load up, okay? So this is the template here. So all we want to do is I want to re-edit all this. We'll edit all this, okay, to the offer we want to promote, which is Ted's Woodworking. So we're going to go to the sales page to get some information so that we're able to use the information to fill out all this, okay? So to do that, I'm going to open a new tab, then you paste in your hop link, okay? So I want to wait for it to load up and see what it has in the sales page. So if you check out the sales page, this is the sales page of the offer, okay, which is all this. So we'll use this as the heading, which is 16,000 wood plans. So we want to tweak it a little bit, so we'll be using 16,000 woodwork plans, okay? So we'll type in 16,000 woodwork plans, okay? So then we'll stretch it a little bit. Let's stretch it to that, okay? And remove this and remove this. So we are good to go. Then you come over here and change this to woodwork, okay? And we don't need all this, which is this contact us, chef and menu. We don't need them. Then you come over here and remove this, okay? Delete. Then you delete this also. Then we'll delete the menu also, okay? So can read it. Let's edit this. Let's edit this. And we'll type in home of best woodwork, okay? And we are good to go. Now we don't need this. We delete this. We delete this. Scroll down. Now add an image here, okay? Now hit this. Then you click this. Then you select image. Then you go to google.com and search for an image, okay? I will type in woodworking by image. You search by image, okay? Now we'll choose any of these images here, okay? And let's choose let's choose this and copy the URL. Okay, and you copy the image address. Then we'll go back to the landing page builder. Then paste in the URL here. Okay, let's change this. So let's choose this. Okay, then we'll copy the URL and you copy the image address. Then you go back, then you paste in the image URL here. Now we're good to go. Then you insert the image. So this is the image here. So we are done with this section. Also, the next thing we want to do is I want to go to the next section here. We didn't need this, okay, because we need a simple landing page. Okay, we need a simple landing page. I'm gonna delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, and we scroll down, delete this, and we're good to go. Then we'll add a text to this. So we want to make this our call to action. So I want to make this our call to action. Okay, so what we want to type here is we want to type in watch full presentation here. So we want to type in watch full presentation here. Okay, here. So watch full presentation here. Then we'll make it to be centered. Okay, then we'll let it to be a little bit bigger. I think this is okay. Now we'll bold it. Okay, now we'll bold it. Now we'll change the theme to look more. Now let's use red. Okay, let's use this. So if you check out this is the page here. Let's change this. Let's change the text color. Okay, let's change this to, I think we should change it to, so I'll change it. You want to tweak it to your own taste. Okay, I'm just showing you this. So after this video, you can go out there to change it to build your own landing page. Okay, with your own preferred color. Okay, so now we'll scroll down. Then we'll add an arrow to this section here. Okay, so I wanna click on this insert. Then insert image, and we upload. Okay, I already have an arrow image here, which is let me type in arrow, which is this. Okay, then insert it, then I'll drag it to the center. Okay, so that anyone that comes to this page, they will know that this is where they're heading to. Okay, so you want to drag it to center a little bit. So to get this arrow is very simple. Just go to Google and type in arrow down. Okay, so after seeing the arrow, this particular image, you download it and go to remove.bg. Okay, remove.bg, which is remove.bg here, this website here. Then you upload the image you downloaded, because if you use the image you downloaded from Google, it won't look more okay like this. Okay, so you have to remove the background, then you go back to your landing page and use it here. Okay, so this is the arrow. Then we'll publish it. Then we'll use my woodwork. Let's just choose it random. My woodwork. Okay, then we'll publish. So if you check out, let's see how our landing page looks like. If you check out this, then we should center this. Okay, should center this. Let's make it to be centered. Center this. Then our call to action. We want to go out there to copy our hop link. I'll copy the hop link. You copy the hop link and you insert it in this call to action here, okay? And you insert your hop link here and you paste, then you apply, okay? And you republish it again and you hit on publish and you are good to go. So if you view your website, this is our landing page, and if you hit this, it will take you to the offer. So we are done with 2 steps here, right? So we got an offer to promote. We created a landing page, okay, and host our hop link on the landing page. So the next thing we want to do is I want to go out there to look for a free traffic so that I'll be able to send the traffic to this landing page and make some commission. So to do that, we want to head over to instagram.com. So you create something of this nature here, which is this page here, to be our woodwork plans, okay? Then you look for an image on Google, then you use the image here, and let me show you this, and you type in your bio, which is use our home of best woodwork plans, and we paste in the link of this landing page here. We paste in the link here. This is the link, but before you paste in the link, you copy the link and head over to Bitly, and okay, and you shrink it so that it will look more okay like this. Then you, after you've shrink it, then you paste it here and you add your bio, which is a home of best woodwork plans, then your email, your number, and you submit. So when you are done with that, so the next thing you do is you start posting, okay? So to start posting, you want to head over to Canva, because that's what I use. So you head over to canva.com, and you create a design, an Instagram post, okay? So you click on upload and choose an image. All these images you are seeing here, I uploaded them from Google, okay? So all you have to do is just to go to Google and choose any random image among all these images, okay? That's what I did. And I will choose this so that I'll be able to show you how to do an Instagram post, okay? So I'll choose this and paste it here. Then you add in your if you have a logo, you add your logo here. So then you download it, okay? You download it and head back to your Instagram, then you post it on your page, okay? And I showed you how to post an image on Instagram through your PC. And if you didn't know how to post an image using PC, then let me show you. You right click and click on inspect and click on this button up here and you reload it, okay? So it will show you plus sign below here, then you close this, okay? Then you hit on this, and you'll be able to add any image, okay? So that's how I was able to add this image you're seeing here, okay? So after you're done with the post, you want to head back to the search bar and type in woodwork, okay? So that we're able to get some traffic. And you type in you type in woodwork and search for woodwork pages. And I'm getting to one of the pages, which is woodworking lovers. This got 7,889k followers. So wanna check out their latest post, okay? And scroll down and you hit this. So these are the these are the people that are engaged on the latest post, so which shows these people are still active on Instagram. So we want to follow these people one by one, but make sure you follow at most 30 people a day so that Instagram will not delete your account, okay? So you follow 30 today, 30 tomorrow. So that's how you'll be building up your followers, okay? So after you build out your followers to a stage, then you start unfollowing them again, so that's how you'll be able to build up Instagram account. And if you check out your profile here, If you check out the profile and hit this to take you back to your landing page, which is this is the landing page, and if you click this to take you to the offer. So anyone that comes to this page, they're able to click on the link and it will take them to your landing page. Okay, so that's how you'll be able to generate some traffic, free traffic, and earn some commission. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you for now. So I don't want the video to be so lengthy, but I hope you got what I tried to explain to you in this video. So if you find this, so if you have any issue with this, you might leave some comment below. Okay, so I will respond to you as soon as possible. So that's all I have for you for now. If you find it helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel and give me some like. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye for now.